Is professional help needed for a flange installed on the outer edge of the pipe? Short answer: sometimes, depending on access, pipe condition, and the flange type. A flange on the outer edge of a pipe means the seal and mechanical retention sit outside the pipe bore, which changes how you approach removal and replacement. First, assess access and support the pipe so you do not shift fittings or stress joints. Use a second person or a support strap when working on horizontal runs. For a simple twist and set flange replacement, drain and dry the area. Remove the old flange by unscrewing or cutting around any corrosion. Clean the pipe end with a wire brush until bright metal shows. Then apply a compatible sealant or plumber-grade adhesive as specified by the flange maker before seating the new flange and tightening evenly. When a flange relies on compression rather than threads, use a torque pattern and hand tools that let you feel set rather than over-torquing, which can crack plastic or deform metal. If the flange is part of a cast iron or older lead and oakum joint, avoid aggressive force because the joint could break and require cutting back to a sound section and installing a repair coupling or replacement pipe. Always test under low pressure after installation, watching for slow weeps for at least 24 hours before returning to full service. Common mistakes are applying too much torque and stripping or cracking the flange, which you avoid by tightening evenly and stopping when resistance increases noticeably. Swapping an incompatible flange material that reacts with the pipe, which you prevent by matching metals or using a dielectric or compatible polymer part, and working without supporting or isolating the pipe, which can open other joints or cause leaks, so always brace the run and isolate water first. If you cut instead of removing corroded remnants, you can expose a sharp or uneven end that will not seal, so dress and deburr pipe edges and use a clamp repair sleeve if full replacement is not yet possible. If a flange seals with a gasket that is old or misaligned, replace the gasket with the correct profile and compress to specification rather than relying on adhesives alone. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work related to projects like outer edge flange repairs. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share practical tips, troubleshooting advice, and real-world experiences from both homeowners and tradespeople.